Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, it's another special day of unboxing because we're going to unbox the 10th anniversary series of The Monsters, which is The Monsters by Monsters of Kasing Lung. And I believe this is the original or the OG face of Labubu. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So before we begin with the unboxing of the 10th anniversary series of the Monsters, I have two boxes or two bonus boxes to unbox because we received a freebie from this purchase, which is the Lazy Yoga series. And if you watch my previous vlog, I have another box here which is a non-Pop Mart related, but this is one of my favorite IPs outside Pop Mart, which is the Boy Ryan. If you watch my previous vlog, I'm not aware that I get a secret from that series. That's why they send me this box to unbox, and let's see if they really send the secret or the hidden figures of this series, which is the Youthful Day series of Boy Ryan. So let me start with the unboxing of the Lazy Yoga. This is a freebie. I never had, actually, I don't have the collection of this series, but I unboxed like one or two boxes in my previous vlog, and I can't even remember which one I got, but I guess I got the Sleeping Before, and yeah, I believe I only got one from this series. So let's see if we are able to get my priors from this lineup because I really want to get the Americano, and which is the lay down, which is like a green or neon Labubu, or maybe we are lucky enough to get a secret. So if ever I got my priors, I'm not gonna sell that one. I'm going to keep that because these Lazy Yoga boxes or series is keep coming back to me. So let's see. I'm going to open this one again at the bottom part. So let's see if we are able to get our priors or we are lucky enough to get a secret from this freebie. Oops. Okay. Do you have any favorites from this lineup, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. So let's see. So this is the foil or the packaging of the current Labubu or current monsters. So let's see. And I guess this is like a useful figure because we are able to, you know, to compare the OG face of Labubu from the recent face of the monsters. So let's see our figure from this Lazy Yoga. One, two, three. Oh, a pink Labubu. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure which one we got. Okay. Oh, the sweating. Oh, not my prio. It's so pink. So I'm not sure if I'm going to dish dash this one or just display on my, on my display rack. So this is like the rubber mat where, or the yoga mat where the Labubu is working out. So I have to fix this one here. Yeah, it's nice. It's actually nice. It's I like the soft flat finish material that they use with this series. So we got the sweating, and what I really like about the art card of this series is like a pop-up art card where you can display like this, but I don't like to destroy the art card. So guys, what can you say about the sweating of the Lazy Yoga of Labubu? I like it's he's like or she's like having a hard time doing a stretching. But yes, if you like this one, guys, you can comment down below. Let's go now with the box of the Youthful Boy Ryan, which is youthful. But I'm not sure what the name of this one. I forgot actually. It's a Youthful Day series. So this is the lineup actually, guys. If you watch my previous vlog, you can watch them now, or you can visit my channel from this lineup, I have the growth already. I have the feign greatness, which is I got a duplicate from this one, and inside of this box there is another card, which it shows that I got a secret that I have to exchange and call the customer service of the TNT and exchange the card for the hidden figures. So they send me this one now, and let's see if they really send the the hidden figures. And yeah, I only have two from this series. That's why I was actually sad that I got a duplicate. But surprisingly, I'm not aware that I got a secret from this lineup. So let's see if they really send the secret uh, that they exchange from the hidden secret card that I have. It's just that I don't have the card right now because, you know, it's in the box already. I kept all those boxes because uh, we are in the midst of clearing out things. So let's see. I'm going to open again at the bottom part, and I'm having a hard time. I can't find the. Oh, here. Because I don't like to destroy the box. That's why. But it's destroyed already now. It has so much glue. Yeah, look, I destroyed the box. So let's see. Let's see. I'm not gonna check the art card now. So let's see if they really send me the secret. I hope it's a secret. It's quite big, guys. It's really big. One, two, three. And yes, they really sent me the secret. Look, it's so beautiful and so handsome. I like the raincoat. It has a lot. It has a gradient color and the soft matte finish of the face of Ryan here. Even the black teddy bear of Ryan. I like the dripping waters. It's translucent. Yeah, I'm so happy that they really send me the secret version or the hidden figure of this lineup. Look how beautiful and big this one. Oh my goodness, I really love this. I really need to complete now the series because I only have two. Okay, guys. Now I have two art card because I have this one already from the previous unboxing, and they showed me like there's another card that you have to exchange. That's why I contact their customer service to get this one, and they really did sent this one to me, and I'm so happy. What can you say about the hidden figure or the secret from the Youthful Day series of Ryan? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the moment of truth. We're going to unbox now the 10th anniversary series. And let me remove all the boxes first. And surprisingly, they are all so small. And I'm not sure because I saw some random videos of this collection. And let me show you the lineup because I believe these are so small figures that you can use as well as a pendant, a bag pendant actually. So yeah, they have this string bag or pendant ring. So these are the 9 lineups, and they have like one secret which has a probability of 1 over 108. And I believe these are all Labubus with their different names. So this is Momo, this is Tai Coco, Kawawa, Spooky, Pipo, Mokoko, Yaya, Pato, and Puka. So from this lineup, of course, I wanna see and keep Zimomo. I wanna keep Taikoko, Mokoko, and let's see if from these three I'm gonna add more. Though I found Spooky cute. I like the color combination. So let's see, guys. Let me set aside all the boxes first, and let me start with the first box that I have right now. So let me show you the box. It has a golden finish artwork. If you can see in the background, you can see all the characters of Labubu. And this is the side part. It reminds me of the box of the version 4, Pin for Love of Labubu. This size is so small. So let's see. Let's open the first box. I just hope to get a secret. I want to get the black one. They still use the typical foil of Labubu the Monster. And we can compare now how small this one compared to the current figures of Labubu. So 1, 2, 3, our first figure. Oh! Wow! It looks like a glass finish. So let's see. There is another like a pearl pendant here. There is still a plastic. Let me remove it first. Okay. So we got Pato. We got Pato. It's a white with a gradient pink from the ears, from the end of the ears, feet, and hands of Pato. She has or he has these pink eyes and neon green nose. It's so small. Actually, I'm out of focus right now. It looks like a glass finish, guys. It's not, but it's actually a PVC type, and you can still see the details of the fur at the back and on the side of the Labubu. And definitely girls will like this one. I like the golden chains and the golden finish, like a design of Pato here, the artwork. And I like this additional pearl pendant. It's like a pearl finish pendant. It's actually different and unique from the current Labubu, but I can say that these collections are worth to keep because this is a 10th anniversary series. Let me show you the art card. So this is Pato, very nice small art card, and the artwork or the illustration of the character, it pops up because it's a glossy type. So guys, let me show you first the difference, how big the Lazy Yoga. So this is the Lazy Yoga, and this is the OG face of Labubu. So what can you say about the figure, guys? Is it worth to collect? Is it worth to keep? Is it worth the money? I'm not sure. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let's proceed with our second box. It's so, I can feel how small the box is. It's very small. I'm not used to this kind of small box from the typical Pop Mart boxes. Okay, our second figure. One, two, three. Oh, we got Puka. Okay, let me remove the plastic and let me show you the art card. Okay, so this is the art card of Puka, Puka Labubu. This is at the back part, and you can see the face, the original face. If this will be a 3D one. Anyway, it's like a hollow figure, like it's a translucent. You can see what's inside if you're going to put something inside with this body. It's like I'm not sure if this like a green turquoise finish. It's like an ice to me. And yeah, it's like a jade finish figure. I'm not sure why there's some kind of plastic in here. I'm not sure if this one is removable. This one is like, yeah, it's like there's another plastic protector here. Yeah, yeah, I can see. There's another plastic protector, and you can see how beautiful The finishing of this pendant, it's so cool. I like that they use a golden finish with this one. Look, this one is an added, an added points from this collection. I really like this one that they put like a badge ID from each figure. What can you say about Puka, guys? It's a blue eyes and orange, neon orange nose. I actually like this one. It's so unique. So, what about you guys? Please comment down below. Let's go on our third box. And let's see if we are able to get now the Simomo, the red one, and the rainbow color, which is the Mokoko. I don't know why they choose or chose black one as a secret, but let's see if we are able to see the secret in this vlog. Our third figure. One, two, three. Oh, Zimomo! That's why it's so cute. Like, oh, okay. The bow tie and the neck piece is movable like this. It's surprisingly it has a different material. Like this one is a fabric, and let me remove the plastic so that we can see properly. And I want to remove the plastic of this one because I want to show you how beautiful the the pendant is without the plastic, so that you can appreciate more the golden design. Look, it reflects, like it really gives, it really gives premium from the from the figure. I really like this one. I really like the red one. It has a black, accent because of the black bow tie, the black nose, and the black eyes. I actually like the color combination of this. Let me show you the art card. And even the art card is a black one. It pops up the picture or the artwork of Zimomo. Very cute. I was actually expecting that this will be the secret, but yeah, it's too red. It's like a devil red to me. So, what can you say about Simomo, guys? Please comment down below. Let's go in our fourth box, but let me give you a recap. We got the Zimomo, we got the Puka, and we got Pato. So let's see our fourth figure. Okay. Oh, I destroyed the box. This one's so small. One, two, three. Oh, the orange one. I really like this one as well. Very cute. Okay, let me remove the plastic. I like bright colors. If you know me, I really love bright colors. So we got Taikoko, and this is the face of Taikoko. He has these black ears, black feet. I like how it's so orangey. It's really bright. I really like the pendant pearl. It's Taikoko here. It's so nice. I like the white belly. I really like the color combination of this one. It really pops up. So, yeah, I really love this. And there's another plastic here. Okay, I'll keep the plastic for a while and let's remove it after. So what can you say about Taikoko, guys? You will definitely love this one if you are a lover of bright colors. Please comment down below. We are halfway through, and I really I'm liking these figures because they are so glossy. They are like glass finished. They look so fragile to me, but still you can still see the uniqueness of each figures. That's why, you know, maybe because these are the original face of Labubu, and I believe you should get this collection if you are really a collector, because yeah, then again, this is a 10th anniversary series. Maybe they are not much cuter than the current figures or the current face of Labubu, but definitely you will love them as well. So, this is our fifth figure. I just hope to get a secret, or I want to see Zimomo, guys. So, one, two, three. Actually, I saw, you know, I saw a, uh, what do you call that one? A gradient color. So, definitely this is Zimomo. And I love this. I actually love this because of the color rainbow. It really gives a gradient rainbow color, guys. I like it's translucent, it's hollow inside. It really looks like a glass finish, guys, that it's so fragile that you really wanna, keep and protect. So let's see the art card. So this is Zimomo. I know, this is Mokoko. And I really love this one. I actually love this. I super love the color combination, the glass finish, but it's a PVC. Yeah, it's gradient color, definitely a favorite to me. So, what can you say about Mokoko, guys? Please comment down below. Let's go with our six box, and we're still missing Kawawa, Spooky, Pipo, Yaya, and Pato. Am I right? No, we're still missing Spooky, uh, Kawawa, Pipo, and Yaya. Okay, let's see. Our six figure or secret, please. I wanna see the black one. I wanna have a black one. So let's see who's speaking in. Oh, okay. Who do you think this one? Uh-oh. We got, what we got? Spooky. I actually like this one too. Look, it's like a glass. I love this one. I actually like these figures. Surprising. And even the pearl pendant is so cute. This one is spooky. It has a yellow ring pendant. I actually like the translucent figure. I love this. Look, it's like a glass finish. It's blue and it's orange. Wow, and it has a purple eyes. Let's see the art card. So this is the art card of Spooky. It's so nice. I wanna keep this. What can you say about Spooky, guys? Please comment down below. Our seventh box, and we're still missing Kawawa, Pipo, and Yaya. So let's see. It seems like I know who's my favorites from this lineup. So let's see, guys. Our seventh figure. Let's see. Oh, it's purple. Oh, we got the pink and purple one. We got Yaya. Wow, it's so girly. We got Yaya. It has this pink and gradient purple and with yellow ears, with purple eyes. And I just noticed the eyes of Yaya has this face figure as well. Wow, it's so different. I guess she has the only one with these three, like a face eyes. Let me show you the art card. So we got Yaya. This is the art card of Yaya. Pop Mart on the feet. So what can you say about this figure, guys? It's not my favorite color, but definitely girls love this. So please comment down below if you like this figure. Last two boxes, guys, and let me go on my right one. We might get the secret, or we might complete the series. Let's see. Our eighth figure. I don't want to say any spoiler yet. Okay, let's see. Oh, I see yellow. Yellow. Oh, wow. Wow. This one has a different, different finish material. Let me remove the plastic. So this is Kawawa. Look, it's not glossy. It's not like a glass finish. It's a matte finish, and yeah, it's a matte finish yellow. They have the same eyes of Yaya. This face eyes, and this one's like a. I'm not sure if this is soft matte finish yellow. You can still see these details of the fur. It's so nice that it has a different, a different type of material that they use from the others. So let's see our art card. We got Kawawa. So it has this yellow or orange pendant ring. So what can you say about Kawawa, guys? You like this? Please comment down below. So guys, our last box, and we are missing the secret. And which one we're still missing? People? I guess. Yeah, we still don't have people yet. People and the secret. So let's see if this is people or this is the secret. I guess, it's too much probability now to get the one or the secret. Our final figure. Oh no! Wait, where's the opening section? Why? Let me use the cutter now. 1, 2, 3, our final figure. Oh! We got people and we don't have a secret. No, we have a secret. It's the Ryan boy, the out of place guy, the only, the only boy character. Yeah, so we got people. It's a gradient color of baby blue. It has a purple to pink, pink finish. I like the pearl pendant actually. I like this one. Super love this. So let me show you the art card. So we got people. Our final figure. It has a pink ears, blue pink ears. So what can you say about people, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog, which is the Monsters by Monsters 10th Anniversary Series. And if you can see, we have two bonus blind boxes on the side, which is the Lazy Yoga and the secret that I got from the Boy Ryan series, which is the Youthful Day series of Boy Ryan. And of course, if you can see, the front ones are my top favorites. I really love the translucent figures, the solid figures of red and orange, and the only one which has this matte finish of material of this figure of Kawawa. I like the solid color of the yellow one. Of course, the back figures, I cannot say that they are not my favorites, but they are not my colors. I really love the popping colors or the bright colors in the front. So if you have other favorites from this lineup, you are free to comment down below. If you had fun watching this vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye!